What is up, realists? Welcome to On The Real Fishing. Today is one of those speed days. Got about an hour and a half. Get in the creek, try to catch some fish. So we're huffing it back there where we normally do. We're back on our go-to creek here. Like I said, you'll probably see this at least once a week. All right, so once we get to the spot here, today we're gonna be trying out some Moondog Bait Company Jeddi Worms or Jeddi Worms. I think they had to add an extra D to get away from copyright, but we're gonna try them out. We'll look at them a little closer once we get to the creek. Like I said, right now, I'm gonna fast walk, I don't know. We're walking really fast to get back here to go fish. So hold on tight, guys. Let's go get to the creek. Let's go check out these things, see if we can't catch some fish. All right, we are here. So we're gonna be using these guys today. Have a couple different colors, more of a minnowy color here. And then these guys didn't have the blacks like they normally did. The black colored ones. Those are the ones I think everybody likes the most, because these guys kind of remind you of leeches. Making a mess. But I've just got it rigged up here on a jig head. So I can take that down a little bit, maybe cut it down some and see if it'll be any different. But I'm gonna start off where we always do, right here. Nice little stopping spot. So there goes something there. I don't know what that was. Didn't look like a smallie, but we'll see. First cast here on the back side of that. The really bad thing about this is that hook is super exposed. So let's see what we can do with it. I expect to get snagged a couple times, but we'll see. Tighten line there with the drag, or with the snag there. Maybe excited. Probably have our first fish already. I'm glad I hadn't caught a fish yet, because I wasn't recording. But hopefully we will soon. Oh, had a good bite there, I think. Came out from underneath that log there. Even on the reel end. Let's see. Just gonna fall in and see if it'll come back after it. A bunch of little rocks right here, so it makes it hard to tell whether or not it's a bite or just getting the rock. Alright, let's keep on exploring, see what else we can get to. It's pretty neat seeing some of these spots that are up higher than normal have water come into them. So I'm going to give one cast just into the flow. Why not? Okay. Got excited there, but I got a snag. Looking, that's probably not as good. I saw a fish run away from it. Some bites finally. There's enough of a bite though to slurp it in, so it's probably like some green sunfish or something. long ear or bluegill or something. There we go. Finally got our first fish off of that Jeddi worm, maybe. Oh, this current is strong. Oh, come on, fish. Come on, fish. There we go. Nice little smallie. There we go. First fish there. Off of the Jeddi worm. Find the tongue. There we go. Sweet. Alright, sit up here and let him go. Maybe we can find two more. Took me a while. I'm all the way up, almost at the turnaround point here. Yep, finally got our first fish. See you, buddy. There it goes. First fish. Let's see if I can't draw it across this rock here without getting snagged. Caught some just kind of hanging on this rock before. No, it's too strong. It's pushing me over here to the left really far. Alright, we're at the halfway point. I'm going to check my time. If I got enough time, I might change colors and work my way back that way downstream. But I check time first, so we'll be back in a second. See you then. Alright, I think we got enough time to work our way back. So switched over to a more minnowy looking color. I don't know if it'll be a big difference, but I'm gonna work our way back downstream. See if we can't at least get one more. But yeah, here's that other color. It's got more of a black top and like a silvery bottom. So it's more like a little creek fish. Really? Just got unsnagged. Made the mistake of letting it keel off. I see always a stick right there. I don't know if I can get to it without dying in the water. Whoa, almost died. Okay, we got there. Now to get back out. It's a bunch of flat, big rocks here, so they're all slippery. All right, reelers, it's going to wrap it up. Thank you guys for coming along, and thank you for all the support. If you guys want to see me try these guys out again, I've got a couple other things from Moondog that I'll probably be trying out. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you like the video if you want to see more. But we didn't end up getting skunked today. We did get that one smallie, good sized guy right there in that one little pocket. So didn't walk away empty-handed. So thank you guys as always. Like I said, hopefully you guys have a great day, great night, great morning, whatever it is, wherever you are. Hopefully it's awesome. Hopefully you guys get a chance to get on the reel real soon. There we go, bonus fish achieved. Bonus fish achieved. Alrighty, this is better than the one we caught another one. Oh yeah. Up here. Lipped, there we go. Nice, as the airplane goes over the top of us. I think this was a little bit bigger, a little chubbier for sure. than the other one we caught. There we go. Not a bad bonus fish. Sweet. One on each. Alright, let him go. Come over here and let him go in the water instead of chucking him. Whoa! Alright, see you, friend. Alrighty, there we go. Bonus fish achieved.